Hello people and welcome back to NewYorkDashCam channel, a channel that features some of the most exciting moments caught on driver's dashcam. We'll start today's episode off with a crazy crash in which one driver made a left turn without bothering to look if it's safe first, and it even came to a heated road rage. Mirrors are an essential part of every driver's vehicle, and every driver is definitely supposed to check on them more frequently. We don't know if the driver here was drunk or distracted by his phone or by some of his passengers. Either way, it's never a good thing to be distracted while sitting behind your wheels.
Enjoy it all year round. Splashworks, 1055 Sarnia Road, east of Hyde Park, around back.
Oh, Jesus! What the
When you run a red light, and especially at a high rate of speed like this driver here, you're about to cause an accident sooner or later. Unfortunately, this one caused it sooner, and hopefully no one was injured. Driver made a left turn on a solid yellow line, and of course the outcome like this is just to be expected. Pay close attention to this pickup truck driver. He was weaving his way through traffic with his brights on, tailgating everyone, and then, as soon as some space presented itself, he cut right in front of the camera.
Current loop video is now locked.
Are you excited for me? No, I'm not. Almost days. You're doing a good job. Crazy. H1, slow down. I haven't seen her since Spike went away.
This crazy driver was weaving in and out of traffic, cutting others off, and he nearly hit the camera as he dangerously overtook him. driver in front of the camera has both main brake lights out, and this itself is a great danger in traffic, and we definitely need to be aware of these drivers. It would be even advisable if someone told him before he caused an accident.
Jaywalking, huh? Jaywalking. Tell you, man, these people. Then they get hit by a car. And look at all these cars double parked. That's the problem. Then they get hit, they want to blame the driver.
We got a collection of short clips of pedestrians not paying attention at traffic lights and not respecting the traffic rules, and the camera caught it all on his dashcam. Make sure as a pedestrian that you always cross the road when you have green, and always use the zebra crossing. When driver got rear-ended by a careless pickup truck driver as he was on his way back home, he lived only 2 blocks down the road, and unfortunately he got involved into this accident before he could get there. But luckily he was okay and not injured thanks to all the good people who helped him get out of his vehicle. With this clip, we conclude yet another amazing episode on Caught on DashCam channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this one. If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because that would help us out a lot. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button as well. And until the next episode, drive safe and take care, guys.